Welcome back, students. I hope you have enjoyed your cartoon time. Well, tell me, students, how do you spend your time during Ramadan? May you have to share your activities with me. Okay? Now move on to the writing. Oh, wait a second, we forget something. What we forget? We before to go to start our writing, we need to look into our instructions of writing. Oh yeah, here we have our instructions for writing. Have a look here. Step 1. Set your study table and chair. Students, are you following my instructions? Set your study table and chair. Keep your bag beside the chair. Step 1. Have you done? Okay, move on to the step 2. Use sharpened pencil. Do your work neatly. Move on to the step 3. Kindly guide your child to complete the task. This this instruction for the parents to guide your child while the completion of the task. Okay, students, now move on to the writing. Today we have writing practice of letter A and B. As you already familiar from the small letter A and the small letter B. Okay, here we have a nice colorful worksheet here. Wow, students. Here we have two categories of letter A. One is capital and the other one is small. Capital A will come in first three lines. Count with me. 1, 2, and 3. This is an uppercase letter. Capital A will comes in the first three lines. Start writing and write letter A, capital A, then small a. Okay, and what is the sound? You remember what we have learned in Jolly Phonics and in the reading time? What was the sound of letter A? A sound is b. Oh no. What is the sound of letter A? It's a. 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 Apple. A. A. Apple. Sing with me, students. You will enjoy. A. A. Apple. A. A. Apple. And start your writing. A. A. Apple. Apple is red. Apple is juicy. Okay, let's move on to the letter B. As you already have learned the sound of the letter B. What is the sound of letter B is B. Here we have two categories of letter B. One is capital and the other one is small. And from the small letter you all have already familiar in from KG1. So you have to write letter capital B in first three lines. Count with me. 1, 2, and 3. This is also a uppercase letter, capital B. And the small b is a lowercase letter. Will come also in the three lines, but start with the last three line. You have to make a stroke, go up, round, and then stroke again. Okay, let's sing with me. B, b, butterfly, b, b, butterfly. A, apple. B, b, butterfly. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b. Okay, students, I hope you have learned to write letter A and B. Okay, students, now we have to learn stepwise. Now follow my cursor. How to write capital A stepwise. Your first step is in green color. Okay, start writing. Make a stroke. Go up little slant. Stop. Okay, the second step is in blue. Come down straight. Come down straight. Stop. And the third step is in red. Go up and make a loop and round. Well done, well done, well done, students. Okay, the next is capital B. Move on to the capital B. First step is in green. First step, make a little, go up and come down straight. This is your first step. And then In the blue color, this is your second step. Round, make a big round, and the second round and half, stop. And in the red, a stroke, inside a stroke. This is your capital B. You have to follow this step instructions from your English cursive book, which you have already been given. I hope students you have learned your writing practice, and you have to follow your cursive pattern properly and do practice at home 2 to 3 times daily to make yourself independent in writing. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand how to get done your first task of the day. So you have to follow the cursive pattern properly, and if you want to get command on cursive pattern, so do practice 2 to 3 times daily, and you have to follow the instructions properly. Okay, students? Thank you so much, students. I hope you understand all the tasks throughout the day which we have delivered you. Okay, and if you have any query, any problem you faces to do the task, you can ask me in the respective group of KG2 White Glider. Okay, students, thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Fi Aman Allah.